Hi, I'm Christie. Welcome to All About Food. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make no-bake blueberry cheesecake. You need 2.5 cups of crushed Oreo, half a cup of melted butter, saucepan, bowl, wire whisk, and spring-form pan. Melt the butter. Combine the Oreo and melted butter. When the butter and Oreo are well combined, line your pan with wax or parchment paper. Put the Oreo mixture to the spring-form pan. Press it with a spoon. To set the Oreo firmly at the bottom of a 9-inch spring-form pan. Put the Oreo inside the refrigerator for 1 hour to set it firmly. 1 can blueberries, 1 cup powdered sugar, saucepan, and wooden spoon. Mix the blueberries and powdered sugar. In a small saucepan, simmer the blueberries. Do not let it boil. Turn off the heat and set this aside. 1 bar cream cheese, 250 ml all-purpose cream, 1 can condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of blueberry syrup. Add the condensed milk. Add the all-purpose cream, Add the cream cheese and the blueberry syrup. Whip the condensed milk, all-purpose cream, cream cheese, and the blueberry syrup. Whisk it until medium peak. Pour it over the Oreo cake crust. Chill it for 3 to 6 hours. After chilling your cake, you have two options. Number 1, remove it from spring-form pan, then decorate it with blueberries and serve. Number 2, add the blueberry jam, then chill it again for 3 hours. This is our finished product. Please comment below what is your favorite flavor of cheesecake. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.